See if I had enough gas, it would take a couple of tanks just to do the back there. Look how deep it is. I didn't even touch over there.
Yeah. It's nuts.
Huh?
It's nuts. Cam said that Ronnie got half his driveway done, and that was 12 o'clock, and he started at 7. I don't even know why he needs to even get out of the house. You can't drive nowhere. There's a ban on driving. This is too deep. This is gonna take fucking 3 months to melt.
Oh, it's gonna take 2-3 days.
Oh, it's already up to 50 degrees and ain't doing nothing.
Oh, good. Look how sweet it is.
It's got to be about 90 degrees out to melt. 90 to 100.
Yeah, it's going to be in the 30s and sunny tomorrow. If they lose color, they're not much.